In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Zoho CRM account forever. By the end, you'll have a working Zoho CRM login on the free edition, which is designed to stay free for small teams. I'll walk you through the clicks and add a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Zoho CRM website. You might arrive on a landing or marketing page. That's perfectly fine. What you're looking for is the sign in option, usually visible at the top right of the page. Click sign in to move to the account screen. On the sign in page, don't enter details yet. Instead, choose the option that says sign up now. This takes you to the account creation flow so you can get started with a free Zoho CRM account. If you already use any other Zoho product and have a Zoho account, you can simply sign in with that existing account and you'll be on your way. Otherwise, continue with sign up. Once you've selected sign up now, follow the prompts on screen. You'll see straightforward fields and guidance that help you set up your account. When you're ready to proceed, click next. If you see any optional marketing or customization questions along the way, you can complete them now or return to them later. Your main goal is to get the account created. A quick tip here: choose the correct country or region if asked, as that determines your data center and can improve performance. After completing the sign-up flow, you'll be brought back to the sign-in stage. Click sign in again, use the credentials you just created, and you'll land in your Zoho CRM home area. If Zoho asks you to verify your email before you can continue, complete that verification from your inbox and then sign in once more. Keep an eye on your spam or junk folder just in case the message is filtered. That's the full process. Go to Zoho CRM, click sign in, choose sign up now, proceed with next as prompted, and then sign in to access your new CRM. From here, you can start exploring contacts, leads, and deals at your own pace. Since this is the free edition, it's meant to remain free, but features and limits can change over time, so it's a good idea to review the free plan details on Zoho's site occasionally. If you found this helpful, give it a try right now while it's fresh in your mind. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new free Zoho CRM account.